subscribers, everyone is very good evening. New subscribers watching the videos before, subscribe and support our channel. Okay, we will see today Nifty and Bank Nifty views. So market right now all time high will be go to monthly chart time frame. Will mention to all time high. Okay, market. So 26,327. 26,327. This is high, all time high. Okay, this is the market ones 26,327. Whenever break market this level after going to new high. Okay, we will go to weekly chart. I will take it last 3 weeks low. Okay, you will write it here. 26,327. $25,839. This is the 3 big slow high. Market right now trading for this levels only. So go to day chart. So what we'll do right here? You mention trend line also. Let's start it. So make it this low is support. Okay, this low or this 25,639 is low. Okay, mention it. Whenever market trading for this range, this is called sideways market. Okay, consider to sideways market. What you will do for sideways market? You will take it entry for low, sell it for high. Okay, close it for high. This is for levels. Okay, intraday levels. No changes for last 3 weeks. Okay, you will take it entry for near this level. You will make it. This is the stop loss level. This low is stop loss level. Otherwise, you take it entry means this is the target. Sell entry means this is stop loss. This level is target. Okay, you will understand. I will clear once everything. Low, buy it low means sell it high. Sell it high means buy it low. Okay, you understand. Okay, tomorrow we will after we will analysis for whenever break it this range, this low, this high. After only we will analysis for new high, new low. Otherwise mentioned for these levels. Right now we will trade it. What will happen? You have write it. You have any trade, take it trade means you will see for the Nifty Bank Nifty intraday levels. Okay, you have position, you will holding the position means you have multi time frame using the multi time frame range. Otherwise, you have take it entry, day chart or monthly chart, weekly chart means target achievement, target time is very different. Okay, before you will entry, you will close it day to day target levels. You will holding means you have the take it risk some risk. The option will be going to holding means you need to clear view, otherwise don't hold it the options, otherwise you have panic, some traders will be happening. Okay, this is the nifty levels, this is low, this is high. Okay, you will see to bank nifty. Bank nifty also same views. So monthly chart, all time high 60121 all time high. Okay, weekly chart, this 3 weeks I will mention for I will mention three weeks low and high. This is 3 weeks or 3 weeks. Market only trading for 3 weeks. This 58,597 60121 level. Okay, this is the trading levels for first 3 weeks. You will mention this low and high. After you will go to change the time frame. You will take it the entry low high. Okay, this is for bank nifty levels. After whenever break the market this range or this range, you will see for the next levels. After breaking this upper side means new high, break it downside means market come to downside below the market. You will see the next targets. We will trading, we will there market or 250 points upside will be there. So downside I will be there in near 800, 600, 250, 250 or 300 points near will be there in the market. Okay, points. After breaking, any update will be, I will update in the our shorts videos. Okay, you will like it this video means don't forget to subscribe the channels. You have any queries you need for any investment advisements, write it email. So thumbnail have the email address. Our description will be there in email address. Okay. Otherwise, you have any doubt means you will write it the comment box. Any you have okay. You have any other queries will be there means you will write it using for this both methods. Okay. Thank you. We will see for tomorrow. Thank you.